There is no way this is $134. Hi everyone, today we're going to quickly look through the BoxyCharm for September. I will also be introducing you to an online makeup course that will give you certification to become a professional makeup artist. So keep watching. The theme for the box is real life runway. Stretch your runway. There are 5 products in here. The most expensive one is $134. Oh my goodness. It is the Avant skincare. There's no way this is $134. $134 Avant skincare deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face and eye night cream. No way. No way. Here you go, you guys. Take a look. Wow. It has shea butter, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B3, seawater, sweet almond oil, and it is a age Nutri Revive. They can put as many words in here as they want. Does it have gold in it? I just have to try this out. This is crazy. It says a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for use on the face and target eye area, formulated with hyaluronic acid. That's not expensive. That works to deeply nourish your skin. It also combines signature ingredients to help improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. I'm gonna have to do research on Avant skincare because this just seems ridiculous. I can't imagine paying $134 for this little tiny amount. 50 mLs, 1.69 fluid ounces of a night cream. Let's try on my skin to see if it feels, what it smells like. It doesn't have a scent, probably on the botanicals. There it is. My hand feels like it is a light cream. It's not very heavy. It feels slightly oily, but not heavily oily. I don't see it. If they're selling the hyaluronic acid, that's not an expensive ingredient. I need to learn more about this line. Avant, if you are watching this, I would be very interested in learning more about your line. Feel free to have somebody call me, do a presentation, because I want to share the miracle of this cream with my viewers. And I'm not being ugly, I'm just being very fair. I have opened so many boxes through the past year and a half almost, and I have tried every single cream there is in the market pretty much, and I just need to understand why that one is so incredibly expensive, unless there was a typo in here. Okay, so the second most expensive is a $65 Somme Institute Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid pads. So this is an exfoliating pad. Also at $65, I'm also thinking this sounds a little ridiculous, and all it is alpha hydroxy pad. That means that if you have flaky skin, you know, this time of the year after all the exposure to the sun, or if you have patches of dryness, the alpha hydroxy acid will just exfoliate it, not mechanically but chemically. If done properly, it will be very delicate to your skin, and you could possibly use it every day. Let me see if this one allows you to use it daily. Yeah, it says exfoliation without abrasion. So these are little soft cotton pads that are infused with MDT5 which is their technology. Exfoliate dead cells on skin surface, unclogging blocked pores while delivering highly engineered vitamins, thus improving resiliency, hydration, and encouraging cell renewal, which is fantastic. I do exfoliate daily with a mechanical exfoliator, which some people would go against, but I use peaches right here with coffee, and I'm fine with that. This one I will probably give to my son. He does have the blackheads on his nose, and it would probably be easy for him just to grab a little pad that's already medicated, and he doesn't have to fuss. Although at $65, woo! But hey, if it works, I'll let you guys know. I wish it would work like immediately so that I could show that to you. And he would be a partner. He totally would let me do that. Yeah, next product is a $32 Ace Beauty Violet Sage palette. Love that. First of all, I love the romantic, beautiful cover. Features a combination of light and airy colors and some deep colors to spark creativity and create a variety of looks. It looks very romantic, I must admit. I do usually just go for very neutral looks, but I don't know, sometimes I might go with a violet color. And I love it that they used flower names and plant names. The top layer, first two colors are about the same, but one has the glitter and the other one does not. So those are the top 5 colors right there. So this is a good point on this video to talk about the Online Makeup Academy, which is a company online based out of New York. They actually have their business there, and they teach virtual classes for people that live elsewhere that want a certification, which is highly coveted. I was gifted the opportunity to take one of the classes, so I chose the makeup class, but they also have like hair, so I used that palette to put it on today so you can see the kind of work I've learned. But I have to be upfront with you guys, I did not take the whole class. I only looked at things that interested me, like how to apply makeup on aging skin, which was amazing because I learned so much about how to use the correct brushes and also the correct textures for an aging skin. Here's a hint: use mostly creamy, oily makeup. So there is a whole lot more that goes behind that. The classes also offer things like the actual, if you want to become a makeup artist, how to behave as a makeup artist, how to do the deals, how to put together your makeup kit. So it's a very thorough course, and at the end of the day, you will be a certified makeup artist. In addition to that, you will have access to the Pro Card benefits. As a pro makeup artist, you get like 40% off at a couple of sites that are for makeup artists only, and it will include products like Anastasia of Beverly Hills and Beauty Blender, Inglot, and all the other makeup lines that the professionals use. So super cool stuff, 40% off. That's totally worth it. I think it would pay for itself in a very short time. The course would pay for itself. You do get one-to-one time with your instructor. So the classes are online. You're supposed to learn and watch everything that's going on through each chapter, and usually at the end there is some sort of test. But if you have any questions at any stage of this, you can contact your instructor and they will have a one-to-one. And this is even after you graduate. If you have questions, you will have access to the professionals teaching the classes with your requests as far as if something comes up and you don't know how to deal with, because the class is really involved and you do have to have that love and appreciation for makeup, because it does go deep into color applications and how to pick colors, how to blend colors, and how to apply the colors to different face shapes. And there's a wealth of information. I enjoyed it. I personally enjoyed learning about it. Well, now, whether or not I did this right, like I have a hooded eye and I try to apply this one makeup where there's like a gradation between colors from the bottom to the top, and then there's like some shiny in the middle, and I don't know that I did it right. I haven't had a chance to ask my my teacher, but I wanted to just get the information out to you. So this is my completed look from the course. I did use a lot of the techniques, specifically, you know, using the right kinds of products for my skin, highlighting at the correct location, you know, the eye makeup color, using the correct brushes, and also fixing my imperfections. So lots of, you know, working with my my shape and my face shape. It takes a lot of practice to get this thing right, and because I'm not taking this as seriously as you guys would, I don't practice enough. I tried this face on and I just said, okay, I'm gonna use the stuff that I learned from this video. But I still think I did an amazing job. I highly recommend the course if you are interested in becoming a makeup artist and you're taking it seriously. So I have two more products here. One is PInkLips Cosmetics Lumi Balm Lip Tint. Treat your lips to instant moisture in a sheer wash of luminous nude color with this vitamin E infused lip balm. I like that. It's new to Boxy. They haven't used it before. This is only $12. Ooh, it's pretty deep. Oh my goodness. It's like a chocolatey color. Interesting. Let's see. And it does come across as a chocolatey color. Interesting. I don't want to put it on, but I will put it on tomorrow and film it for you. So it's not just a glossy, it's actual color. I'm just gonna put it on top of it. I thought it was gonna be just gloss with vitamin E, which is great for your skin. I don't think it's as deep as it looks, even though it's covering my other lipstick. We'll see what it looks like when it's just on your lips. And then the last item is Ciate's Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. I love their, I have several of these and I probably have this one too. The last one I received was this gorgeous pink that, oh, it was just so nice and intense and beautiful. Oh, this is just a highlighter, really, literally a highlighter. I think I have received this before. Let's see what the highlighter looks like. Oh, it has also the same color. It's coordinated with the lipstick so that you can use them together. Putting it over my current highlighter. Kind of smells like chocolate, I want to say. But as you can see, it just has that tint that coordinates with the same base color as the lip gloss. I love that. It does smell chocolatey, or almost like hot chocolate. That's what it smells like. So that's it. That's it for the BoxyCharm box for this month. And I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time.